This scooter owner heard a faint squeaking noise coming from under his seat and used pliers to investigate. Deep inside the tangled wires, he pulled out a messy nest containing 6 tiny, hairless, newborn sugar gliders. Realizing they wouldn't survive on their own, he carefully rescued them and spent days hand-feeding them warm milk from a tiny syringe. With a lot of patience, the bald babies finally grew soft fur, developed their black stripes, and learned to cling to his fingers like little rings, even befriending a curious cat. He even taught them how to swim in a warm bathtub to build their strength before taking them outdoors to test their instincts. Watch as they bravely leap from a high rock and glide safely back to his hands.
I imagine if I